Welcome, I'm David Geiger. A backlog of barge traffic on the Mississippi River can now move forward. This past week, a bridge inspector found a significant fracture which closed the Hernando de Soto Bridge carrying Interstate 40 across the Mississippi River between Memphis, Tennessee and Arkansas. The crack was found in a routine inspection that happens every 2 years. In addition to stopping traffic across the bridge, the closure also applies to barge traffic underneath. That would include every barge loaded with agriculture commodities. But according to the Soy Transportation Coalition, the Coast Guard has determined the crack in the bridge is not dangerous to barges, and after 2 days have reopened maritime traffic. The Soy Transportation Coalition adds there are currently 62 vessels with a total of more than 1,000 barges in the queue. It expects 48 hours to get back to normal conditions. A top trade official says a multilateral deal must be bipartisan. In a Senate Finance Committee hearing, U.S. Trade Representative Katherine Tai says any new multilateral Asia-Pacific deal must be bipartisan. Tai says the Trans-Pacific Partnership the last administration withdrew from lacked bipartisan support, so the Biden White House will not automatically try to join. She thinks the U.S. should engage trade from a position of strength, so U.S. economy needs will be a priority, adding she hopes to work with partners across the world.
To ensure that as we are taking steps that we are thinking through the strategy to make sure that we are effective and that we are pursuing a vision that is well supported here at home on a very strong and robust bipartisan basis.
And our market analyst Alan Brugler has the end of the week recap.
Well, we did have a big set of USDA reports on Wednesday. This was the WASDE Group's first official attempt at estimating world supply and demand for the next 12 months. And then, of course, the ripple effect of that is on the U.S. U.S. ending stocks for corn were a little higher than the trade thought they were going to be at 1.5 billion bushel and change. Beans, we're still looking at fairly tight. New crop carryovers, about 140 million bushels. But USDA did project that Brazil is going to plant and grow a record 144 million tons of beans next year if they continue to get this kind of price incentive. Cattle markets been fairly well supported on the cash side, mostly 119 trade close to the last 2 weeks. The board took a nasty spill on Thursday, basically following the grains lower, but the industry had a big meeting to try and figure out why the packer margin is so wide. That is, the beef prices are up, but the cattle prices aren't up. Have not seen any market impact from that meeting, however. Pork export sales dropped off quite a bit in the USDA's weekly export sales report. Price rationing appears to be a bit of an issue here, but we also saw that the pork export shipments are still running over 41,000 tons a week.
That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.